You use electricity every day, but did you know that electricity goes on a journey to get to your house? A transformer is like a special box that changes electricity on this journey. It can make electricity stronger or weaker. Pretty cool, right? Imagine a hose with water flowing through it. Now, imagine you want to make the water flow faster. You might use a nozzle to squeeze the water and make it shoot out with more force. That's kind of what a transformer does with electricity. Transformers use two coils of wire wrapped around a metal core. When electricity flows through one coil, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field then creates electricity in the other coil. By changing the number of turns of wire on each coil, we can control whether the electricity gets stronger or weaker. Transformers are super important for our power grid. They allow us to send electricity over long distances without losing too much energy along the way. Think about it, electricity has to travel from power plants to cities and towns all over the place. To send electricity efficiently, we use high voltage. High voltage means the electricity has more push behind it. But we can't use high voltage in our homes because it would be dangerous. That's where transformers come in again. They step down the voltage to a safe level before it reaches our houses. This way, we can use electricity to power all our appliances and gadgets without getting zapped. Just like there are different tools for different jobs, there are different types of transformers for different purposes. Some transformers increase voltage, while others decrease it. Step-up transformers are used to increase voltage. These are often found near power plants to prepare electricity for long-distance travel. Step-down transformers are the opposite. They decrease voltage and are used to make electricity safe for use in our homes and businesses. But that's not all. There are also isolation transformers, which don't change the voltage but provide electrical safety by isolating circuits. And then there are autotransformers, which are like a single coil acting as both the primary and secondary coils. They are often used for smaller applications. Transformers are everywhere in our electrical world. They are essential for generating, transmitting, and distributing electricity. They are in our electronic devices like phone chargers and laptops, helping to convert electricity to the right voltage for our gadgets. Think about it. Every time you turn on a light, charge your phone, or watch TV, you are relying on transformers to deliver the electricity you need safely and efficiently. These amazing devices play a crucial role in our modern way of life.